Alright guys, let's go to great. And any of you that watched my playthrough of the demo of Beyond Two Souls will know that I mentioned this little mishap taking place here where my keys were burned off of my cherry blue switches. I'm going to replace these and get some keys, but in the meantime I figured I always wanted some brown switches. So I picked up this new keyboard. It's a Ducky again. It's the DK9008. And I really got this mainly because of it being brown switches, because the blues are a little bit too clicky, even though I love the feedback on them. They're a little too clicky at times, especially at work. So I got these browns. Let's go ahead and remove it here. As you can see, we have the keyboard. What else is in here? Little manual. Nothing really listed here other than some small details. And inside the box we have WASD keys. What appears to be a key remover so that you can replace your keys, and of course USB cord. And there's the actual keyboard. I went ahead and got this awesome design where it's gray and blue keys. I just love the layout of it. The keyboard still has that quality feel like any other Ducky keyboard. It's still very heavy, it's still very sturdy, and they're cherry browns. Yeah, cherry brown keys. You still get that feedback even though it's not as much of a bump as you feel with blue keys, and they're a lot less clicky when you use them. Those are the sound of the browns, and these are the sound of my blues. As you can hear, it's a lot more clicky. Blues are mainly for typing. Browns, in my opinion, are pretty much the best all-around switches you can get. Gaming, typing, day-to-day use. The bump isn't as pronounced as the blue switches, but you still get that bump, that feedback that you're pushing in keys, and these keys have an extremely high quality on them. So this is going to be my new keyboard. I really like what Ducky has done here with the color scheme. This is what really attracted it to me, well, attracted me to it in the first place. So, yep, that's my new keyboard, my cherry brown MX. It is the DK9008 from Ducky. I'm Goat the Great, and I'm out.